Hey guys, Rack here for a kind of sad, short video. I have the merch, and I'm going to show you it right now. So keep watching. I'm actually going to show you what it looks like. But there's been some technical difficulties, and there's been some issues that have come up, and we will not be able to get the merch out when I thought we were. I did not think we were going to hit 100 subscribers as fast as we did, so thank you guys for that. I really appreciate it, but I'm going to say I've failed you guys. I was not able to get it out in time, and I still haven't figured out the shipping, the ordering, that whole process. But here are some concepts that I'm hoping I will be able to give to you guys here in the very soon future. Hey guys, I'm going to interrupt myself here as I normally do and just tell you that the items we got, like this dirty shirt and it's all wrinkled, came in this package right here. The first go around when I ordered things, as you can see, it's all messed up and there's different tape on it and it's open, and there was some items missing from the inside. That's another reason why we have actually taken a little while longer to get this stuff for you guys, but hopefully we can redeem it and get it soon. I am going through a shipping company, or a print-on-demand company, print-on-demand company called Gelato. And you can see here, this is the back of a gray hoodie that has the design that I'm hoping to use on a lot of newer products that you guys can order here pretty soon. But right now, I'm not going to be able to make it work. I'm just having some issues being able to get it out there. Here's another design. This is a sort of black and white watercolor version of the bus that is on the front in a bigger print on this hoodie, and then it is on the front of this hoodie. This is the back of the hoodie, and then this has the logo. It's on the front of this hoodie right here, just like it is on this shirt, but this shirt just simply has it there and it has nothing on the back. So I've been testing these. They seem to be pretty high quality, and the company is shipping for, it's printing for a pretty good price. And one of my main goals was getting you guys a quality product. I wanted to find a company that made quality options for you guys, but also something that was affordable. And I was looking at other companies, and they just really weren't quite what I was looking for, and that's why this has taken so much longer. But I will keep you guys updated on it, and I'm sorry that we weren't able to get it out when we hoped, and I am working on it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'm not going to be making any more announcements or promises about merch because I personally don't even know when it's going to be able to be released to you guys. But anyways, thanks for you guys' support, and thanks for getting us to 100 subscribers.